For nearly 4 decades, County Corvette has been setting the standard for Corvette excellence, from humble beginnings to a nationally respected destination for enthusiasts, collectors, and performance drivers alike. One thing has never changed: an uncompromising commitment to craftsmanship. Whether it's a concourse-level restoration, a frame-off masterpiece, or preserving automotive history for generations to come, every detail matters. Every component tells a story. But honoring the past doesn't mean living in it. County Corvette's award-winning Restomod division combines iconic Corvette styling with modern performance, technology, comfort, and reliability. Classic soul, modern capability. From routine maintenance and diagnostics to performance upgrades and complete driveline transformations, our expert technicians keep Corvettes performing at their absolute best. Inside our paint and body facility, precision meets perfection. Collision repair, custom bodywork, show quality finishes. Every surface refined to exceed expectations. Our sales team meticulously sources exceptional examples worthy of joining our exclusive collection. Whether buying, selling, or consigning, you're working with trusted experts. Recognized throughout the Corvette community, featured at prestigious events, trusted by enthusiasts nationwide, built on decades of experience and thousands of successful projects. Restoration, Restomod, service, paint and body, sales. One destination, one passion, one name. County Corvette, when it must be right.